Hey Lovies, I'm coming to you with this review. This review is brought to you by A to Z Wigs. I did get the title correct this time. Shout out to a Lovey that helped me with the title. Last time I could not get it right, but it does make sense now. So yeah, they sent me a bob, and right here I'm just showing you everything that was included in the package. They sent a weaving net, and it has the instruction card which tells you how to take care of your unit and all that good stuff. So the unit came in a net to cover and protect it, and it was also put inside a plastic baggie, and the baggie was inside of a box, which definitely protects the unit. And it also had tissue paper inside of the unit to try to keep its form when storing. So yeah, in this clip I did turn my light on so y'all can get a better look, but this unit has 3 combs in the top. It is a lace closure unit, and it has a comb in the back with your adjustable straps as well. I did use some tanning spray on my net. I did not bleach my knots, and I did pluck it very well. So yeah, I really like this unit. I don't have anything negative to say about it. The only thing is that it was a little small for my head, but I do have a big head, so yeah. But it did not shade. It just was perfect. I love the cut. I got a lot of compliments on it, and it is like a natural black unit. So yeah, I highly recommend this unit. Like I said, it isn't too much. It is a little small for big head girls, but hey, with it laying down on your ears, it's perfect. I didn't have any issues with applying it and all that good stuff. So all information will be in the description box. Definitely check out A to Z Wigs. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you loves in the next video.